The Graph tool is perfect for designing graphs and grids based on trigonometric functions. When working with radian angle measurement, you may input and display values based on pi. To enter pi, simply type pi or type Alt-P. For example, suppose we wanted to create a grid where the x-axis goes from -2 pi to 2 pi in increments of pi over 6. Enter -2 pi and 2 pi as the start and end values for the x-axis. While we're at it, let's make our y-axis range from -1.5 to 1.5, with an increment of 0.5. Entering pi over 6 for the horizontal increment value first displays the values as decimals. Enter pi over 6 again to display the values in terms of pi. Choose to show the numbers every second grid line for a less cluttered display. You may also prefer the appearance of a serif font for the axis numbers, which can be achieved by left-clicking on a blank space in the graph area, then right-clicking on a blank space in the graph area, selecting Graphics, and changing the label style to serif in the Basic tab. Keep in mind that GeoGebra does all angle calculations using radians, so trigonometric functions entered in the Functions section are assumed to be using radian measure. Notice that pi can also be accessed in the pop-up symbol menu. Degree measurement can also be used for angles when working with trigonometric functions. Suppose we want to display a basic sine graph from -360 degrees to 360 degrees. Enter the start and end values for the x-axis, omitting the degrees symbol. Again, we'll use a y-axis range from -1.5 to 1.5. Let's use a horizontal increment of 90 and a vertical increment of 0.5. When we enter the sine function in the Functions section, it's very important that we indicate the use of degree measurement for the angle. That is, we must enter y equals sine x degrees. We can input the degrees symbol using the pop-up symbol menu or by pressing Alt-O. Note that the Alt-O shortcut also works for the axis label. If you'd prefer to see the degrees symbol on the axis numbers, you can do so by left-clicking on a blank space in the graph area, then right-clicking on a blank space in the graph area, selecting Graphics, choosing the X-axis tab, and selecting the degrees symbol in the Unit drop-down menu.